This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the output type and gathering a 75-ohm coaxial RCA cable. This matters because coaxial uses impedance-matched cables for clean digital transfer. Once done, power down both source and DAC/AVR so you can connect without producing pops or stressing inputs. Make the physical connection. Plug the RCA conductor into the source coax/SBDIF output and the other end into the receiver's coaxial digital input. Tight, straight connections reduce signal loss and prevent intermittent audio. Now you configure both units so the coaxial path is active and compatible. This step solves format mismatches. On the source, choose digital/coaxial output and decide between PCM downmixing or bitstream pass-through depending on your decoder. Then on the receiver or DAC, select the matching coaxial input and verify it accepts the source sample rate, for example 48 kHz or 96 kHz. Make sure any alternate digital outputs like HDMI or optical are off or lower priority. Finish by testing. Play a familiar track and listen for clean, stable audio, no pops, dropouts, or sync issues. If you hear nothing, first confirm the receiver is set to the coaxial input and the source is transmitting digital output. Then try swapping the RCA cable or using another coax input. If you experience jitter or sample rate mismatches, make sure the receiver is locked to the incoming clock or enable any oversampling/lock options. One quick tip: swapping to a known good cable often isolates the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.